Got out with this one. Here's your it didn't look too bad, really. Oh my goodness. Probably had something to do with it right there. Stuff right there. Look at it. Oh wow. Gotta clean that up a little bit. So right inside here is a screw. It's actually a jet, which you can put a flathead screwdriver in there, right size. And if we got it to turn, yeah, there's a better look right there. Alright, so shot some cleaner in there, and there's no obstruction. Probably can't see, but it goes. There's nothing on the side. This was tightened all the way down. There was no adjustment on it, from what I could tell. Just tighten it all the way down. Here's the inside, and I'm going to take this wire, make sure that we're clear. Alright, going all the way through. I'll spray some cleaner. Continue to do this a little bit. So here's where that needle was at. It was connected to the float. So here's where the line, fuel line, connects to, and so there has to be a clear passage between here and here. I just shot some cleaner, and it spurted out over here, so we're good. You could also just blow on this nipple and just hear or feel it. Should be clear. I guess I need to make sure that needle is still in good shape. It looks to be okay. If I had a new one though, I would definitely change it. This gasket I think is going to hold up. So I guess we could put this back in the jet or whatever you call it in here. I want to see how good that float is working. It doesn't seem to be working that great, and that would probably involve the needle not seating down like it should, or the not needle but the little valve rubber, needle valve thing not seating down like it should. Let's look at it. Yeah, so here it is. It's pretty sharp. So here it is, pretty sharp. I'm just going to go in here and open the gas, and then stop it when the bowl is full. Float shouldn't have a hole in it. At least I don't think so. Now there is no spring. I didn't see a spring. This just fits. I guess to see if it's really we weren't getting gas, it seemed like. I guess I could hold it up and shoot some fluid in here. Alright, so the test I'm going to do is I just blow in here, and when I go like this I should be able to hear it, the air come out, and when it's closed like this I shouldn't be able to blow through it. Yeah. Can't blow through it. Let's raise up the bowl. That seems to be working okay. Alright, let's go ahead and put this back in place. Gonna bottom it out. So if gas should be able to come through here. And I did spurt some through there before I even took it off and noticed that it did come out through here. But I wanted to take it off anyway and see if there was like a side hole, but there wasn't. Alright, so this will be clogged with the bowl, so we need to make sure that, and I have, it's pretty big holes, but there's no obstruction there. Yeah, I need to make sure there's not, otherwise there's no way it's going to be able to get fuel. Okay, we're going to try the mower out for the first time since putting the carburetor back on and cleaning it. So what I'll be doing is turning the fuel on. I'm going to choke it. Sounds great. Very quiet. All right, thanks for watching.